Take this!
I need to get rid of these insects quickly. I need to stop thinking for a second. No.
I'm gonna transform into a smaller form and destroy this place. What is this strange thing?
What is this place? What is this? Is this better than what I can imagine? I'm just a dying star.
2013, I was a police officer investigating a murder, but when I looked at the victim, I knew it wasn't a human who did this. So, they said it was a burglary. Well, I found the culprits, and I must say, I got sliced. And I found my drive for power to destroy the city!
It looks like we got company. Alright, a pinhead. Take this!
Now it's my turn. That was easier than I expected. Hey, chill out, guy. You almost killed me out there. Looks like I gotta take care of you.
You finally showed up, Bob.
I gotta get out of here right now.